Hi, I'm Chef Patty and welcome back to the Mad Table where we make delicious family-friendly recipes. Today we're making arroz con pollo a la chorrera, and that is a soupy version of the classic Cuban yellow rice and chicken. So let's get started. Thing you want to do is drizzle some olive oil all over the chicken, and then we're going to sprinkle some salt, kosher salt preferably, and a little black pepper, and we're going to stir to coat really well. I'm going to heat up a little olive oil so I can cook my chorizo in this oil. And we're gonna create a chorizo oil. Now we want to cook the chorizo in the oil to create our own chorizo oil for flavor. So as you can see, the oil is starting to get all the flavoring from the chorizo, which is what we want. So when we start to saute our onions and our bell pepper and our garlic, we have the extra flavor from the chorizo oil. I'm gonna transfer the chorizo with a slotted spoon because we want to keep as much oil as possible in the pan. So I'm transferring the chorizo to a separate bowl. Now in goes the onions, bell pepper. This is why I like to saute the veggies in the chorizo oil, because you can see all the flavorings from the chorizo just developing into the onion and the bell pepper. I always add the garlic towards the end because I don't want it to burn. The garlic usually takes about 20 to 30 seconds for it to get nice and soft. Adding the chicken and cooking it with the onion and the garlic and the bell peppers for a few minutes. Chicken is partially cooked. We can add some more ingredients like our tomato sauce, white wine, bay leaf, garlic powder, achiote, dried oregano leaves, salt, black pepper, stir. Now you want to cover your pan and let it simmer for 10 minutes. I'm using foil because I couldn't find a lid big enough. Now I can add in the rinsed rice, the broth, the chorizo going in, give it a good stir. Cover the pan again and let it simmer another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove the cover. I'm gonna add my garnishes. I've got some peas for the center, some roasted red peppers. Just gonna like sprinkle these around. And because I'm so extra, I love adding some fresh asparagus as a garnish as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Mad Table.